Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below for your convenience. This video reflects my own experience using the software. Welcome to a review of FreeTaxUSA Business Tax Software. FreeTaxUSA Business presents a cost-effective tax solution specifically designed for small business owners, freelancers, and self-employed individuals seeking reliable tools to streamline their tax filing process. It's built to handle both federal and state business tax returns effortlessly, while significantly reducing costs compared to competitors. A key strength of FreeTaxUSA Business lies in its intuitive, step-by-step guidance, which simplifies the often daunting task of completing tax forms. The software supports a wide array of forms, catering to LLCs, sole proprietors, partnerships, and various other business structures. Accuracy is ensured through automatic calculation of deductions and credits, a valuable feature for small business owners aiming to maximize savings. A major advantage, particularly for budget-conscious users, is the free federal tax filing offered by FreeTaxUSA. While state tax returns are not free, they are priced reasonably, making it one of the most affordable options available. Despite its competitive pricing, FreeTaxUSA Business doesn't compromise on essential features. These include the ability to import tax forms from previous years, detailed explanations for navigating complex tax situations, and built-in error checks to minimize mistakes. Another noteworthy feature is the convenient access to prior year returns, facilitating easy referencing and carryover of important data. This proves especially useful for businesses with recurring deductions or consistent income patterns. Furthermore, FreeTaxUSA provides excellent customer support resources, including a comprehensive knowledge base, FAQs, and email assistance for addressing specific inquiries. While live tax expert support isn't offered like some premium software packages, FreeTaxUSA Business is ideal for small business owners comfortable managing their taxes with guided assistance. It's straightforward, reliable, and designed for accurate filing without unnecessary complexities. In summary, FreeTaxUSA Business is an excellent choice for entrepreneurs and freelancers looking for affordable yet powerful tax filing software. Its user-friendly interface, extensive form support, and value-driven pricing make it a true standout in its category. Click the links in the description to explore FreeTaxUSA Business and determine if it's the right solution for your business needs.